Hi, in this video we're going to pick up where we left off in the book in chapter 4, doing the in the spotlights. We're going to start off with the first in the spotlight. I'll pull that over so you can take a look at it here. So a project currently underway at Chemical Labs Incorporated requires that a substance be continually heated in a vat. Technician must check the substance's temperature every 15 minutes. If the substance's temperature does not exceed 102.5 degrees Celsius, then the technician does nothing. However, if the temperature is greater than 102.5 degrees Celsius, technician must turn down the vat's thermostat, wait 5 minutes, and check the temperature again. Technician repeats these steps until the temperature does not exceed 102.5 degrees Celsius. The Director of Engineering has asked you to write a program that guides the technician through this process. Okay, so here's the algorithm. Prompt the user to enter the substance's temperature. Repeat the following steps as long as the temperature is greater than 102.5 degrees Celsius. So we're going to tell the technician to turn down the thermostat, wait 5 minutes, and check the thermostat again, or the temperature again. Prompt the user to enter a substance's temperature. Okay, and then you repeat that until it's down below 102.5. After the loop finishes, tell the technician that the temperature is acceptable and check it again in 15 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and do this. I went ahead and created my folder that I needed for this. So I'm going to go ahead and open the folder, which is going to be in my chapter 4. Check temp is the one I'm going to be using. And then we'll do a new file. Here we go. I'm going to call this check temperature. Whoops, messed up on me there. New file again. Keep hitting the wrong keys or something. Try one more time here. Okay, check temperature.java. I'm going to go into the check temperature folder there that I have. So in here now what we need to do is import our scanner again. Import our java.util.scanner. And then get our set up our class. Public class check temperature, curly braces, and then our main. Okay, so then what we want to do in here is get the temperature from the technician and then check it to see, oh, static and misspelled here. There we go. If it's in range or not, okay? So we're going to need, we have a constant called max temp. We're going to set equal to 102.5. And then we're going to have a double, which is going to be our temperature. And then we need to do our scanner. Now, I did notice in my other classes that students are, I can tell they're using AI because they're changing things. Instead of using keyboard, they're using different words for that, and other things are different than what's being taught in the class. And so my recommendation to you is use AI very sparingly. Look at the videos, look at the book, learn the code that's in there, and then apply that to your program assignments. Okay? Don't use AI to write this stuff because you're going to get into a position where in a job or something, you're going to do something with an AI and it's going to mess things up for the company. So make sure that you know what you're doing, you know how to actually write the code and stuff, okay? So here we go. With this, we need to get the temperature from the user. So system.out.println, and we're going to do in here, enter the substances Celsius temperature. Okay. And then we'll do a temperature equals keyboard dot next double. Okay, then we'll do our while loop. So while our temperature is greater than our max temp, there we go. We've got some print statements here. I'm going to do the temperature is too high. Turn the next line. Turn the thermostat down and wait 5 minutes. System is spelled there. We get an S in there. There we go. Then take the Celsius temperature again. Put the M off that time. Okay. Temperature. Oh, sorry. Oh, that's right. System.out.println, and this one should be a print. And this should be a colon here, space. There we go. And then up here, I'm going to take the period off of here because this should not be an ending of a sentence there. Okay, so we do a temperature then is going to be equal to our keyboard again. Keyboard.next double. Okay, so once all that works, then we just have to tell them, get out of the while loop, they got the temperature correct, and let them know that. System.out.println. Temperature is acceptable. Check it again in 15 minutes. Okay, so looks like everything's good on here. We'll check it out and see. Let's go ahead and run this. So temperature we're going to put in here. I'm going to put in, I'll go ahead and do this and I'll fix it, what I messed up on there. 104.7 says that's too high. So we're going to wait the 5 minutes and put in 103.2. Again, it's still too high. So we're going to wait and then put in 102.1. And the temperature is good. Okay, now what I messed up on here, which isn't a mess up, but I don't like this, is up here I used a print line instead of a print, so it went down underneath it. Okay. So let's run it one more time real quick. Just do a real quick one here. There we go. 103.9, and it's good. So we need to change this to 102.1, and now it's okay. Great. So hopefully this helped you out a little bit with using while loops. And the next video, we'll go to the next in the spotlight. Bye.